What if one motorcycle could give you classic styling, everyday comfort, excellent fuel economy, and reliable performance without costing a fortune? The new Suzuki GN 160 is creating a lot of excitement among riders who want a practical bike with a timeless design. But does it really have what it takes to stand out in today's competitive market? Let's find out. Classic design with a modern feel. The new Suzuki GN 160 stays true to the legendary GN family by keeping its simple and elegant appearance. It features a round LED-style headlight, a comfortable long seat, chrome details, stylish alloy wheels, and a clean fuel tank design. While it keeps its classic identity, small modern upgrades make it look fresh and attractive for both young and experienced riders. Engine and performance. Powering the motorcycle is a 160cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine designed for smooth and reliable performance. Whether you're riding through city traffic or cruising on the highway, the engine delivers enough power for daily commuting while remaining easy to control. The smooth gearbox and predictable throttle response make every ride comfortable and enjoyable. Ride comfort and fuel economy. One of the biggest strengths of the GN 160 is rider comfort. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and well-padded seat reduce fatigue during longer rides. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps on rough roads, giving riders a more confident experience. Fuel efficiency is also expected to be one of its strongest selling points, making it an economical choice for everyday use. Features and safety. The Suzuki GN 160 offers practical features that riders appreciate, including a clear digital analog instrument cluster, bright lighting, front disc brake, rear drum brake, and durable tires for better road grip. Its lightweight frame makes parking, turning, and handling much easier, especially for beginners. Final verdict. The new Suzuki GN 160 is built for riders who value reliability, comfort, and low running costs more than extreme speed. It combines classic styling with modern practicality, making it a smart option for students, office workers, delivery riders, and anyone looking for a dependable daily motorcycle. If Suzuki prices it competitively, the GN 160 could become one of the strongest choices in the 160cc segment. This video is based on currently available information, industry reports, and early expectations about the Suzuki GN 160. Specifications, features, pricing, and availability may vary depending on the market and official Suzuki announcements. Please check with your local Suzuki dealership for the latest confirmed details before making a purchase decision.